friends, today I will show you how I prepare and store my onion paste, which is really useful in chole, in chickpeas, in variety of lentils, beans, or if you are making a gravy based Indian dish. So let's get started. All you need to do is chop onions in pieces and put them in your blender. Now you can add along with onions some ginger and garlic. I roughly chop some ginger pieces and add them in. Cloves of garlic can be added as well. And then if required, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, or without water only, you can just blend everything. Onions already have some water content, and that's why it's easy to just blend them. So once you have smooth blend of onions or a roughly blended mixture, then you can either store it in ice cube tray, small little ice cube size pieces, and put it in the freezer, or simply put it in an airtight container like I'm doing. And in order to prevent it from discoloring, you can add in some turmeric. It acts as a stabilizing agent. Now you can add salt, but if you are going to do that, you'll have to remember it whether you added salt or not, so that you don't make your dish too salty. And that's it. So it's really easy to make this onion paste. It reduces your cooking time. Prepare a big batch, put it in the fridge, and use the masala to make chole or other gravy based dishes. I hope you like this idea, and this will save you some time in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to Eat East Indian for tasty food, and I will see you again soon.